I had a scanned PDF that I urgently needed to search through, but I couldn't select or search any text. Here is exactly how I fixed it using an amazing tool called Systweak PDF Editor and how you can do the same. First, open Systweak PDF Editor. You can download it from the link given in the description below. At the top menu, go to the OCR tab. Click on Perform OCR. You will see two options here, OCR from PDF and OCR from image. Since we want to make PDF searchable, choose OCR from PDF option. Select the PDF you want to work with and open it. At this point, you will notice you still can't search or edit any text. Now click on Perform OCR again. Choose the page range you want to process. Select Scan to Searchable Text in an image option if you only need to search and highlight text. You can also select Scan to Editable Text to modify the text directly in applications like MS Word. Choose the recognition language and adjust any output settings you need. Then click on Perform OCR. Once the process is complete, you can see our scanned PDF is now fully searchable. You can also use the OCR from image option to convert scanned images like JPEG or PNG into editable documents the same way. If you have many scanned PDFs or images to convert, you don't have to repeat the process one file at a time. This tool has a batch OCR feature that handles everything at once. Just go to the OCR tab again and click on Batch OCR. Select OCR from PDF option. Now simply drag and drop all your files into the window or browse and add them from a folder. Set your OCR preferences, pick the recognition language and choose searchable text in an image option. Once you are done, click OCR now. This tool will process every file automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy PDF tips. Let me know in the comments if you want tutorials on other PDF tools.